Hey everyone, it's Donna. It's been a while since I've done any videos. Just been a little bit burnt out on the digitizing and uh, just trying to get some things done around the house. Anyway, I thought I would show you. I'm working on creating this cute little font into a um, raw edge stitch applique. So I just thought I would show you my steps of doing this. Right now I'm working on the letter D. I did 127 inches for, or 127 millimeters for 5 inch tall. And it's a cute little font. And I'm offering it, it'll be, when I get it done, it'll be in both 4 and 5 inches. Changing my hoop now to be a 4x4 hoop. Control Alt C will center the design, and then I'll save it under the 4-inch name. Just working on the next letter. I think my mouse is going bad. I don't know. Going 127 for 5 inches. Oops, sorry. Make this one down to the 4-inch or 98 millimeter where it'll fit a 4x4 hoop. Lots and lots of fun. Have y'all been keeping yourselves busy? I've been working on getting some seeds started for the spring garden. Right now, I have some broccoli and cabbage that have sprouted. I'm waiting on some peppers and tomatoes to come up. Hopefully, they'll do it pretty soon so that I'll get a little bit of good growth on them before it's time to transplant them outside. I think this is a cute little font, and I could see it being used for quite a few things. I would definitely, I mean, if you like them when they wash, that they fray a little bit, you wouldn't use the heat and bond on this. But if you want them to stay crisp looking, you could do the heat and bond. And then after it's stitched out, you could press it so it'll stick. And 27. Bring it to the center. Change this one to 98. Change the hoop size. Center it. And put it in the editor. The first color that I'm laying down, the blue, is actually kind of like a guideline for where you would place your fabric. making this one 98 as well. Centering it. And I'm going to end the video here. This is just a day in the life of a digitizer at times. So we will talk to you later. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Drop some comments down below as to what you would like to see digitized or anything that you might want to learn. I hope you subscribe, and we will talk to you later. Bye.